All right, so remember that the word roots and solutions and zeros all means the same thing. Okay, it means set it equal to zero and find the answers. All right, so I take this equation here, x to the third minus x squared minus 2x equals 0, and I fully factor it. All right, it means I look for a GCF. I do all the different steps as I go through. All right, this one has a GCF of x. I'm going to pull an x out. And I get x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. And then I factor what's inside the parentheses. These shouldn't be super complicated to factor any of them, but you never know. But that means the signs are going to be, sorry, not the same. The signs are going to be different. They're factors of 2. That's the only ones are 1 and 2. So if I make it a negative 1, I would get, let me go the right steps here. So it's to add up to negative 1. So if I put a negative 1 and a 2, so the signs are different, I get positive 1. So I need to switch these around, and that'll give me negative 1. So I end up with x plus 1, and x minus 2 equals 0. All right, so now to do this, you have to be careful using the shortcuts because what you should do is you should set each of these things equals 0. All right, so x equals 0, solution. And I get x plus 1 equals 0. And a lot of you just know to flip that around. But again, be careful because if it's got a 2 in there or something, we have to be careful that we do it the right way. We should get x equals negative 1 for that. And then x minus 2 equals 0. And we should get x equals 2. So we should get negative 1, 0, and 2 is our solution. We can write it in brackets like this, or we can just leave it like that, depending on what we have happening there.